everyone. Our name is Team Kai, and we are from Spring 2020. Our project is Grow Fitness, and we're going to introduce ourselves real quick. This is Nick speaking, and today I'm joined with
Zachary Williams.
And Lucas Jaggis.
All right, we got that out of the way. So, quick description of our application. So, our solution is a fitness optimization website. So instead of doing the typical design your workout, save it, upload it, our service is user inputs their workout routine that they're already following. And then our solution will recommend exercises to optimize their personal fitness routine. Our main emphasis is on optimizing essentially their body fatigue, not necessarily just using this application as a workout repo for them to just save their workouts. So currently our method of tracking fitness has no similar solutions in the industry, which makes this a ideal, unique approach to the entire model of exercise and fitness. Our specific target audience for this is going to be people who like to work out, people who like to exercise, as well as people who are big into powerlifting/weight training in general, as well as people that are maybe new to the fitness industry that want to get in and they want like some kind of guidance towards that. This application can help them out. On top of that, specifically fitness people who program for other individuals, this application to help track their individuals' workouts. I'm going to turn it over now to Zach, and he's going to walk through the features of our solution.
All right, thank you, Nick. Here we have our landing page for our website. It's pretty snazzy looking, and as you see, it is responsive to mobile pages and just generally responsive sizing UI with Bootstrap. We will go to the login page, and I do have an account already, but today I'm actually going to register to demonstrate the process. So today I want to register with eburger@umass.edu, Emery's email, and I'm sorry, but I'm going to be making your password as password. I mean, it's going to make it really convenient for you to log in whenever you do need to. Re-enter the password, name, Emery, select sex male, and for birthday, I'm going to be putting in New Year's 2020. Oops. 1/1/2020. Alright, submit. So here it logs in to your profile, and this page right here is going to be used for the majority of the application. You're able to edit your profile, you're able to add exercises, delete exercises, get recommended exercises. This page is the core to the application itself. As you can see in the profile, it's got a date of birth, it's got your weight, height, and sex. Weight and height were not already set in your profile, so let's go ahead and add that now. So for weight, I'm just going to put, around 240 pounds. Emery is thick. He's definitely a fitness enthusiast. For height, I'm going to put a whopping 6'2". I'm going to save those changes. And so there you can see he is now 6'2" and 240 pounds. Moving on, I'm going to add an exercise, a couple exercises actually. First, today was chest day, so chest press was done. Many reps too, somewhere around 80. Going to add a couple more exercises. Going to have chest fly, around 30 reps. And a little bit of legs was also done. Leg press at 20 reps. Alright, So as you can see each of these exercises along with the timestamp on the right side. Today being May 8th, 2020, 5:08 a.m. And as we go to recommend an exercise, we see that our legs was a little bit underdeveloped today. We had a small case of chicken legs, so it recommended us to have to do a little bit more leg press and up that 20 number. We close that, and we to demonstrate the delete of an exercise. Let's say in the end we really did no legs at all today. Leg press 20, gonna delete it entirely. But theoretically, you'd want to build on your leg press as it recommended. And that is the general features. Last feature to demonstrate is delete profile. Do be wary, this is irreversible, and if you delete your profile, you're going to have to start from scratch, as this notification warns you. So I'm going to go ahead and click yes, and it brings us back to the homepage. So that's most of the app and its features. Now Lucas is just going to go over some of our learning process throughout the app and just a general reflection of the app itself.
So yeah, to begin, I'd like to talk about some of the aspects that our team found most interesting about the project. When it comes to UI design, even though our website looks very bootstrappy, we thought it came out extremely professional. It helps with the flow of the website, and it just looks good. We also found Mongoose to be a very useful tool, especially when it comes to schema creation. It also came with its own validators, so that helped with some of the validation, like a minimum length of a password of 6. So it just came built in. It was the full package. It was nice. So of course we had our difficulties, and there were some things that were easy. Start with the easy stuff. We found creating the UI itself, designing it, kind of a no-brainer. Designing the whole CRUD model that we were going to implement, also pretty easy. And just the way that we were going to represent the data in code was just pretty straightforward. But some of the hard stuff that we encountered was TypeScript. TypeScript, we felt it was a big jump from JavaScript to TypeScript, possibly unnecessary, but TypeScript was difficult to work with. Is very strict. Another thing was enabling authentication. Authentication was pretty difficult, especially making it secure, encrypting passwords, and especially when you made requests to routes, I made sure to not return the password, just to add extra security. Client server communication, again, so front end implementation in TypeScript, it was tricky, and just the whole back end in general was a chore. So for future work, we're thinking about adding the option to allow users to change their profile picture. It's already pretty good right now, but that's kind of like a standard feature that we would like to implement. Forget password is also another feature that we're missing for registering users. Kind of necessary. You don't want users forgetting their password, and pretty much the way that we have it set up right now is if you forget your password, you lose your account. You just have to start from scratch. There's no way of retrieving the password because everything's encrypted. And another thing is we'd like to improve our optimization, exercise optimization algorithm. Right now, it recommends exercises pretty well, but there's some complexity that we can add to that, and that's what we're looking for in the future.
All right. So yeah, that's our project. Hope you enjoy it, and we look forward to developing it into an even better app in the future that all of you can use for your own personal fitness goals. Thank you, and have a nice day.